So, you've met the 9 seductive characters, like the siren, the rake, and the charmer. But what happens after someone feels attracted to you? In part 2 of The Art of Seduction, Robert Greene explains that seduction is a step-by-step process. You guide someone from interest to emotional connection, and finally to surrender or obsession. It's not a trick. It's a dance. Let's walk through this journey using clear stories and simple language. Step 1. Choose the right victim. Seduction isn't about forcing. It's about choosing someone already open, emotionally or psychologically, someone looking for meaning, escape, or excitement. Story: in a busy cafe, a man notices a woman seated alone with a book she's not reading. She's not part of the laughter around her. She's looking for something. When he smiles, she doesn't hesitate, she smiles back. That's the moment. A good seducer looks for the cracks in someone's routine and gently fills the space. Step 2. Create a false sense of security. People fear manipulation. The seducer first becomes harmless, familiar, safe, a friend, a helper, a confidant. Make them relax. Story: a young woman is drawn to her boss. Instead of being forward, she builds a respectful, supportive relationship. Over weeks, he begins to open up, and her smile starts meaning more to him. Seduction starts not with desire, but with trust. Step 3. Send mixed signals. Once they feel safe, add uncertainty. Warm glances today. A little coolness tomorrow. This unpredictability hooks their attention. Story: a guy flirts with his colleague all week. On Friday, he acts distant. She thinks about him all weekend. On Monday, he brings her a coffee. She's caught not by his words, but by his contrast. Mixed signals create emotional puzzles people want to solve, with you at the center. Step 4. Lead the target to you. Let them believe it's their idea. Make yourself noticeable but don't chase. Create mystery, and they'll seek more. Story: a woman wears a unique ring every day. Her coworker finally asks about it. She smiles, says, "Long story," and walks away. He needs to know the story now. He keeps finding reasons to talk to her. The best seducers don't chase, they attract. Step 5. Create temptation. Give them small tastes of pleasure, laughter, compliments, a mysterious story. Never give too much. Story: a musician plays a song for a girl at a party. It's not about him, it's about how he makes her feel. She feels seen, special, alive. Temptation starts small. A glance. A brush of the hand. A story that lingers. Step 6. Master the art of the bold move. Build anticipation, and when the moment is right, take the risk. Show courage and clarity. Story: after weeks of quiet friendship, he says, "I think about you more than I should." She's surprised but also relieved. She was waiting. The bold move flips the script. It makes seduction real. Step 7. Begin the seductive phase proper. Now, open the door to fantasy and emotion. Give them a life they've dreamed of, even just for moments. Story: a woman takes her date to an old theater. They talk about films, dreams, and regrets. It feels cinematic, like something out of a novel. Seduction becomes unforgettable when it becomes a story they want to keep living. Step 8. Lead them into your world. Bring them into your interests, values, art, music, your seductive world. Make reality feel richer with you in it. Story: a man brings his date to his painting studio. He shows her unfinished work, old photos, childhood drawings. She feels closer to his soul, not just his face. You seduce not just through looks, but through your world. Step 9. Use spiritual lures. Suggest that you and they share something fated. That this isn't just physical, it's destiny. Story: a girl tells her partner, I never connect this fast with anyone. It's like I knew you before. True or not, it deepens the bond. Emotional intimacy begins with imagined fate. Step 10. Mix pleasure with pain. Introduce emotional tension. Small doses of jealousy, delay, or competition sharpen desire. Story: at a party, he is charming someone else. She watches. Later, he whispers, "You noticed?" It stings, but it also burns with attraction. A little pain brings longing. Too much destroys trust. Step 11. Give them space to fall. Step back. Don't always initiate. Let them miss you. That's when the seed grows. Story: after a magical weekend, she doesn't call or text. He checks his phone more than usual. By the time she sends a picture of their picnic spot, his heart is already pulled in. Longing grows in absence. Step 12. Use the power of words. Your words can linger in their memory like perfume. Speak emotionally, poetically, truthfully. Story: you remind me of fireflies, rare, glowing, always gone too fast. She never forgot that. Words seduce the mind and through it, the heart. Step 13. Lead to the next step. Keep guiding the interaction forward slowly but surely. Don't get stuck in one phase. Story: after months of flirtation, he says, "We should get out of town. Just you and me." She feels the invitation, the shift. She says yes. Seduction dies in delay. Step 14. Beware the after effects. After big moments, avoid over-explaining or changing energy. Let things breathe. Story: after their first night together, he didn't rush her into planning the next. Instead, he left a note: "Last night was beautiful." No rush. Silence after intimacy is powerful. Step 15. Mix pleasure with reality. Don't only be magical, be real, vulnerable, honest. Show imperfections. Story: she shares her struggles with depression. He doesn't solve it, he just listens. She cries. She also smiles. Realness deepens seduction. Fantasy without reality becomes fake. Step 16. Stir the taboo. Introduce a little rule-breaking, something secret or daring. It bonds people. Story: they sneak into a locked garden late at night. She laughs like a teenager. That moment becomes their moment. Breaking rules together creates shared danger and desire. Step 17. Bring them to the edge. Let them feel intense tension. Almost, but not quite. They'll crave the release. Story: their hands touch, lips almost meet, but he pulls back. Later, when they finally kiss, it's like fire. Desire builds in the pause. Step 18. Create regression. Make them feel like a child again, playful, trusting, light-hearted. Story: they ride bikes in the rain. She squeals, laughs, falls. He lifts her up. No drama, just joy. Innocence softens resistance. Step 19. Stir the past. Help them relive their own emotional memories. Connect what they've already felt and missed. Story: this music reminds me of my mom dancing in the kitchen, she says. He tells her about his dad. They both cry, then hold each other longer. The past has emotional power. Use it gently. Step 20. Offer a series of temptations. Give layers of pleasure, laughter, surprise, intimacy, depth, one after another. Story: a date starts with a silly game, then a walk, then a quiet song, then a soft conversation. Every step feels closer. Build emotion like chapters in a story. Step 21. Blur fantasy and reality. Let the world feel magical around you. Make them forget the ordinary. Story: he hangs fairy lights in a park at night and plays an old love song. She says, "Is this real?" It is. Fantasy heightens feeling. Just don't lose the truth. Step 22. Isolate the target. Spend time away from the world. Deep connection needs quiet and space. Story, they book a weekend in a mountain cabin. No phones, no schedules. Just them, the wind, and the fire. Love needs silence to grow. Step 23. Let them surrender. After all the steps, the final move isn't yours, it's theirs. Let them say, yes. Story, after a long day, she simply says, stay tonight. No more words needed. The true seducer never forces. They invite. Step 24. Control the after effects again. Don't become needy, boring, or controlling afterward. Keep a little mystery alive. Story, he didn't text her all day. In the evening, he sent just one photo, her laughing, taken without her noticing. Keep feeding the fantasy even after it's come true. Seduction is not about lies or tricks. It's about creating connection, excitement, and unforgettable moments. Part 2 of the Art of Seduction teaches us that attraction grows in stages. If you rush it, you lose it. If you guide it, you build something powerful. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. And remember, in the game of seduction, the slow dance wins.